let us write the structure of methylphenylamine. Here is the phenyl group linked with nitrogen, which in turn is linked with the methyl group. Nitrogen is having direct linkage with one hydrogen. So now this is N-methyl. This is N-methyl, N-phenyl, methylphenylamine. So this is the structure, or else we can also call it as N-methyl anilate. This is the example of a secondary amine, because N is linked with two carbon atoms. One is this, one more is benzene carbon atom. So it is linked with two carbon atoms. So it is a secondary amine. Or else we can also write this with the molecular formula. Instead of writing like this, you can also write it as C6H5N linked with CH3, the CH3, then linked with hydrogen. Then it is treated with acetic anhydride. CH3, C double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH3 is the expanded form of acetic anhydride. CH3, CO twice O is the simple representation, condensed formula of acetic anhydride. You can write like this or write like this. You can also write this like this. CH3CO, O common, then again CH3CO. So any of the ways you can represent this acetic anhydride. I have represented here in the long form so that the concept becomes easy for you to understand. So upon acetylation in presence of a base, reaction proceeds. So now this much of constituent goes out, then this much of constituents take the place of hydrogen along with the nitrogen. So let us see what's the product we are going to get. Let me write this. C6H5N linked with CH3 retained as it is, then linked with this carbon, linked with double bond O, then CH3. This is one product. What's the other product going to be? CH3COOH. So we are going to get a carboxylic acid. So we get two different products. Then what is the name of this compound then? This will be N-methyl, N-phenyl, and this will be acetamide. Acetamide will be the trivial nomenclature, ethanamide will be its IUPAC nomenclature. So let me write the name of the product. N-methyl, because we need to alphabetize the order, so methyl comes first, then N-phenyl. So N-methyl, N-phenyl is the correct order. Say supposing if there is one more option as N-phenyl, N-methyl, then that's not the correct answer, because alphabetizing the order of the different groups is also one of the rules of IUPAC nomenclature. So the remaining portion is, either you can call it as acetamide. If you are calling it as acetamide, it's a trivial nomenclature. Its IUPAC name would be ethanamide. What is the other product you are going to get? Ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is its IUPAC nomenclature, or it's popularly called acetic acid. So let us check the options now. N-phenyl acetamide. No, because only this much of portion is being given in the option 1. We also have N-methyl. So therefore this is not the answer. Is it N-methyl aniline? No. N-methyl aniline is our starting material. So this is also not the product. Then option C, N-methyl N-phenyl acetamide. Yes. N-methyl N-phenyl acetamide. Yes. This is our option. Correct answer. And D is none of this. So therefore, which is the correct answer for this particular question? Option C. Correct answer is option C. So I repeat the question again. Methyl phenylamine on treatment with acetic anhydride gives. Option is N-methyl N-phenyl acetamide. That is option C is the correct answer for this particular question.